guys, James here. Really quick video. I want to go over the differences between CARPRO Inside and CARPRO InnerQD. InnerQD is the newer of the two products. Inside's been around the block. There are a major difference between these two products, but for the most part, they're both going to clean in your interior and give you a great result. Biggest difference here is CARPRO Inside is a concentrate product. Most people think this is going to be ready to use straight out of the bottle, and technically it is. However, this is a very strong interior cleaner. So most of the time we can recommend people cut this 1-to-1 or even 1-to-2 for lighter cleaning applications. Like Inside is a heavy hitter, meaning if you have one of those details where you're like, ooh, I need to really clean this, Inside's going to be the good way to go. Now, InnerQD, where this thing excels, if you want to kind of take the guesswork out of diluting down products and have the added benefit of adding protection as you clean, InnerQD is going to be the way that you want to go. This is considered an interior quick detailer compared to just an interior cleaner, because this is not going to have as much of the cleaning capabilities as CARPRO Inside, but I would say for the majority of detailers or individuals that like to take care of their car, if you don't have heavy soiling, InnerQD is going to be fine for you to really pick up any light messes in the interior, dirt, debris, dusting. InnerQD is going to be able to handle that perfectly fine. But the biggest difference is this is going to leave a UV protective layer behind. Now, duration on that, probably 1 to 2 weeks, maybe even longer, depending on, are your windows tinted? Are you using it on the driver's side compared to the passenger side? Because the driver's side is going to last less than the passenger side or compared to the back seat. But if you don't want dedicated cleaning, you don't want to have to deal with a dedicated protectant, InnerQD is a great way to go to make sure that your car is not only staying clean, but also protected. Now, Inside, once again, coming back to this product is just a cleaner, so it's really recommended that you have a dedicated protectant on your interior if you are using this product. My choice would be Ultima Interior Guard Plus personally, but really whether you have C-Quartz leather or an additional or a different interior protectant on the car, that's going to be fine as well. Just be careful with CARPRO Inside though, because at its full dilution ratio, at its full concentration, it may have the potential to be able to remove some of that protection behind just because of how strong it is. So hopefully that helps you guys kind of understand the difference between the two. Pick the one that's going to suit your needs best. You don't need both of them, but you might need one of them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.